Hello, I'm going down and I don't know what's going on down there. Like steps here. It's like a little forest near the city. Yeah. There's animals there or not? I don't know. I don't fucking know. A lot of garbage right there. Trash, you can see. A lot of trash on the land. Yeah. Kinda mystery vibe right there. Right here. Okay. I'm almost there. You can hear like the dogs are barking. The dogs are mad. And houses are close to me. It's like river flow or something. Yeah. Like river stream. Oh, it's kinda it was raining not a long time ago. Yeah, you can see river. Yeah. You can see this view. Maybe it's not river, it's like lake, I don't know. But it has a vibe, you know, kinda. Okay, that's my mini vlog. Bye!